Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace single keys in a laptop. Actually, no need to replace complete laptop keyboard. Only thing is you need to have the specific key with you. So what I'm doing, so I'm just taking old keyboard which is not working completely. So I'm taking the keys from that keyboard. See, I'm just taking these keys from this keyboard. Use the small screwdriver flat actually, and bottom you have to there is a 2 notches will be there above, so just clip out and release it. There is a small needle kind of things, it will be there actually, that will go to inside the keyboard, and that notches it will clip, not that there's a small clips will be there, so there it will be sit. Look at the needles actually, that needles it will go inside there, and we can fix it. So I'm just going to fix to other laptop. Look at here, see there is 2 notches will be there, so I'm putting into that both the needles and align it and just press it, so that notches it will stick. That's it guys. Actually you can replace any keys like this actually, but you need to have the key, specific key. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.